1987, Kilgore Aladdin installed. So, before I even start this video, since 1999, my grandparents had wanted the performance of a 3.5 gallon per flush toilet with comfort height. It was never been able to achieve. It's been nearly 25 years since then. Actually, over 25 years. So, thanks to OCC Plumbing and Restorations, I now have this 1987 Kilgore Aladdin. And I also got this from Capturing Tools, if you didn't know, thanks to him. So, yeah. So on my Project Source handle, I do have an actual Kilgore handle, but I just wanted to put this on for a bit, and yeah. But anyways, here's a flush. The flush is really nice. I've always liked Kilgores, and this is really cool to have. And so it's amazing to have the Kilgore Aladdin. It's what I almost never expected to get this. So huge thanks to OCC Plumbing and Restorations for making this possible. So a huge shout out goes to him. Go to subscribe to him. He has an amazing channel. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So for the first time since 1999, I shall now present you with the 1987 Kilgore Aladdin.
Now that's a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, it will.
That's what he brought.
Yeah.
Brian told me, say he had it. He knew the one. How you know the one I like? I might have mentioned it.
Because I mentioned it that, like, when this house was being built, he originally wanted comfort height toilets. And that was in, like, the 90s, so he got this for you. It's the 1987 Kilgore Aladdin. It's 3.5 gallons of water per flush.
I told him. That's what it was right by us when I was telling him about it. I said, I know why I got that one.
So, this is it. Why not flush it again?
How many gallons?
3.5.
Yeah, that's why I don't.
So I know you'd like this. It performs really well. Won't be needing this anymore.
Let it stay there.
If you say you want it,
Now you got to wait to see whether it's going to leak.
Yeah, but I noticed like nothing when I was installing this, so which is impressive.
for you. Don't be watching it then.
So yeah.